Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more. Right now, I'm waiting for my teacher to come get me so we can go to this business trip thing at Girard College. Moves. I'm tired, if y'all didn't notice. Anyways, this is my outfit. I'm wearing a dress with some, whatever, leggings, Let's get into the video.
So you can, I think. You know what? We're going to riding.
So here I am showing y'all the event. It's really loud here, so I didn't really film a lot, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so I just got here. I'm going to show y'all around while I look for my teacher, but I'm about to go over here in this corner, so maybe y'all could hear me a little better. But so I'm at this business event. I'm not really prepared. I mean, I made a slideshow. I got some products, but I'm not prepared because we love to be last minute. But this is my outfit. As y'all saw earlier, this is the event. I'm at Girard College right now. I gotta find my teacher because I'm kind of lost. Not kind of, really. There's so many people here. I want to show you, but I feel weird flipping the camera around, so I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But it's weird because like I'm going up to the tables and they're not even saying nothing when I go up to the tables. Like I'm asking about, like, I go up to the table and like I guess they want me to just grab the stuff by myself. I'm not really sure, but I'm about to call my teacher and see where she at because I need to figure out what's going on. Like I'm playing with you. I got money. My bad.
If somebody want to come, they have to pay it. Like, how can you
I realized social work really wasn't for me. That wasn't really like, I really wanted to go. So I started looking into like journalism. And something that I realized that I did when I was younger, I didn't even know I was into journalism.
Hey y'all, so this is my second cup of coffee because I done worked 3 days before this and I'm tired because it's in the morning. But it's fun. I did a little game. It's not that bad. I ain't present or nothing yet. But we're gonna get there. And yeah, so it's fun. There's people here. It's not that bad. I just can't wait to get my product up there and show people what I got. She had a really good routine. I just don't want to get copyrighted, so here I am. Yeah, it's a little girl dancing. There's us walking, looking around at stuff. This is the tables and stuff. So it was kind of like unorganized because it was the job fair in the same place that it was supposed to be, the Young Sharks business thing. So we couldn't find it, but so I was signing them papers, giving the people permission to record me and to record this for a little media thing. So they recorded it. This is me, I love being on camera, as y'all know. So this is me being behind camera, loving it. I'm getting the feel. They're asking me some questions. You can't hear the questions and you can't hear me talk, so hence why I'm here. So yeah, that's just me being me. I'm getting me ready, and yeah, that's as long as the clip is. Yo, I got a free water bottle because I did the little voice recording joining thing. I kind of messed up on one of the questions, and I said Pennsylvania was one of the largest states when I know that's not true. It's Texas. But it's okay though, because you live and you learn, and I'm not that slow. So we're making sample bags right now, and I'm about to write on these cards the Instagram. So we're making the little sample bags with the soaps and the lotions. See? Okay, so then these is all the sample bags then, I guess. So, and that's just extra lotions in case. Because I want to give the important people this or whatever. No, those is in case somebody wanna or yeah, take a couple of the soaps out and put it in this one. So I don't gotta keep digging in the joint. Cause the thicker they are, the more, cause these little ones is like 5 and then this big one like 10. Something like that. Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm writing the joint. These are the bags that are done right now. Got the little handmade business card with the little, they different shapes. So, y'all are just gonna see me put, she's writing the number on the business card or whatever because it just happened to be that way, but.
Where's the part with the Instagram so you can write it?
The Instagram? These ones with the little hearts. That's so cute. So this is the little card. Show my hey y'all. I'm just waiting for this thing to start. I'm not really sure. Nobody knows what's going on. I'm about to turn the camera around so y'all can see. A little unorganized, to be honest. Like I pitched my product to just different people and stuff because it wasn't like I had a slideshow prepared. The slideshow, but
entrance. That's what I'm saying. Oh, y'all 2 blocks. We 1 block. We 1 block for entrance. No, I'm saying this block.
I know y'all are probably like, what's going on, Mara? Like, what's going on in the last couple clips? So basically, I was supposed to go to this Shark Tank thing. You know, I'm not really sure, Buki, because we was unprepared. It was a little ghetto. But I was supposed to be there to, you know, promote my product and stuff, which I did. I did make a couple little sales, y'all. I am proud of that. I'm gonna show y'all like the little stuff that I got. I got this training join. What is this? It says, want to be a future firefighter or paramedic, join the hotline program. Yeah, so if you want to do that, here's a paper. There is a code there if you want to scan it, if you want to be a firefighter or anything like that in the Philadelphia region or area. I got this shirt because obviously today is Martin Luther King Day, if you didn't know. Okay. I was there. I'm tired, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired. I came home. I've been home for about 3 hours now, and I was asleep. So I'm just showing y'all. Then I got this from the Red. Ooh, it's backwards. This is. It's cute or whatever. I wish I would have got more free shirts. They was like if I would have went in there. So because there was a job fair in there too, so it was a little confusing. Then I got this thing for home health care. I got this Patriot bag, home health care. I got Patriot flyer, as y'all can see. The people was kind of, I'm not even gonna say that, the people was kind of rude. Because I was going up to the tables, they really wasn't saying nothing to me. Like, I would really have to ask them questions out. And then I didn't know if I should grab stuff or anything like that. This is a site program. This is not why I went here. I went here for something else. The thing was that there was multiple events in one place. That's why it was so chaotic, and we really didn't know where to go. It was just this is a recipe for to roll up that. I got a leather water bottle. I'm sorry, y'all. I got this leather water bottle thing from yeah, because you're not about to drink that paper. But I got this water bottle from the thing. Y'all saw the clip of me talking. I got that from them. This is my travel coffee, iced coffee container that I had. What is this? Ooh, this is a back scrunchie thingy. Okay, that's a little card. Ooh, a comb. I got another comb. I got this Y pen from my studios. And I got a stress ball and 2 lollipops. So it was a really fun event. I'm gonna show you my product now.